Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this video from Unit 5B, that is Reproductive Health. Friends, this is from intermediate second year friends. Simple question, general question friends. What in your view are the reasons for population explosion, especially in India? See friends, what in your view are the reasons? You have to write the reasons for what friends? Population explosion, especially in India. Friends, ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్, భారతదేశంలో జనాభా విస్ఫోటనానికి కారణాలు వ్రాయము. ఫ్రెండ్స్, జనాభా పెరుగుదలకు కారణాలు వ్రాయము. పాపులేషన్ ఎక్స్ప్లోజన్, జనాభా విస్ఫోటము, జనాభా పెరుగుదల. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, సో హియర్ దేర్ ఆర్ సమ్ రీజన్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. See, following are the reasons for population explosion. See friends, number 1, increased healthcare facilities. See, in the olden days there are no healthcare facility friends. Now we have full of healthcare facilities. Increased healthcare facilities. Number 2, decline in death rate. Decline means reduction friends. Death rate reduction, decline in death rate. Next friends, decline in maternal mortality rate. Friends, maternal means mother. See, in the previous days, there is more deaths at the time of delivery. Now, they reduce the deaths of the mother friends at the time of delivery. So, decline in maternal mortality rate. Friends, it is called as MMR. Maternal mortality rate. Decline, reduction, reduce in maternal mortality rate. At the same time friends, decline in infant mortality rate. Infant means boy or baby friends. Reduction in infant mortality rate. Decline in infant mortality rate, that is IMR friends. IMR. Now see friends, poverty and illiteracy among people. In some areas still there is illiteracy friends. So poverty and illiteracy among people. First you write these 5 friends. What is the first one? Increased healthcare and facilities. Increased healthcare facilities. Number 2, decline in death rate. Number 3, decline in maternal mortality rate. Number 4, decline in infant mortality rate. Number 5, poverty and illiteracy among people. So in addition to these 5, you have to write some more friends. Illegal migration. See, from other countries, illegal migration. Okay friends, now early marriage system. Friends, early marriage system. Next, lack of awareness about small families. Friends, lack of awareness about small families. Last one friends, lack of awareness about family planning in certain regions, especially in India. Lack of awareness about family planning friends. So these are what friends? These are the reasons for population explosion in India. Now come to Telugu medium friends. Friends, in the Telugu medium they asked only 2 reasons. See friends, this is a Telugu medium question friends. జనాభా విస్ఫోటనానికి 2 కారణాలు తెలపండి. See friends, జనాభా పెరుగుదలకు ఈ 2 అంశాలు కారణం. ఒకటేంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్, మరణ రేటు తగ్గడము. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మరణ రేటు తగ్గడము. Decline in death rate. Number 2, మాతృ మరణ రేటు తగ్గడము. Decline in maternal mortality rate. See friends, ప్రసవ సమయంలో ఏమవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్, తల్లులు మరణిస్తున్నారు ఫ్రెండ్స్, దాన్ని తగ్గించారు మన దేశంలో. సో మాతృ మరణ రేటు తగ్గడము. Decline in maternal mortality rate. Now see friends, శిశు మరణ రేటు తగ్గడము. Decline in infant mortality rate. Decline in maternal mortality rate, decline in infant and శిశు friends, infant mortality rate. IMR, decline in IMR, decline in MMR, decline in death rate. You have to write these 3 words friends. Decline in death rate, decline in MMR, decline in IMR. You will get 2 marks friends. Okay, this is about what friends? భారతదేశంలో జనాభా విస్ఫోటనానికి కారణాలు. Okay, friends. Okay, thank you. Good day, friends.